Hey guys, if you want to create educational workbooks for kids, then you can easily find the ideas and resources from Creative Fabrica. Just going to the resources here and then click on the teaching materials and you will be on this page. Preschool 180 page math workbook. Here is pencil control tracing workbook. Then there is the ultimate preschool busy binder, and here is summer activity book for kids. Then again is another one, summer activity book for kids, I Spy. Here is alphabet tracing and coloring book. So this was our first one, preschool 180 page math workbook. It is 8.5 into 11 inches PDF format, and title page is also included. What is included? Addition, subtraction, numbers 1 to 10 with small section counting up to 20, shapes, sizes, patterns, matching, money. This is very good resource for creating educational workbooks. You can mix and match your own creations and images and creates a wonderful math workbook for preschoolers. Our second one is big math activity and workbook for kids. So there are 60 pages, PDF and PNG files are included, easy to use. This could be another very good math activity workbook for kids. So our third one is alphabet tracing and coloring book. You can see there are preview pages of this product. I can actually download and show you. This is alphabet tracing and coloring book. Let's see what is inside. There is book cover, JPG, PDF and PNG files. There are also editable resource files. So let's see the PDF one. So this is our PDF file. Let's zoom out and see. This is trace the uppercase letter A, trace the lowercase and trace uppercase letter B, and trace the lowercase letter B. This is 52 pages tracing and coloring workbook for kids. So let's see the other folders. Here are JPG. These are single, individual, and similarly you will also get PNGs files. And let's see at the cover. Sample cover you can't use as is. You need to edit this one and create your own unique cover. Don't use this for Amazon KDP. So these are the resource files included with this KDP interior. So you can see you can edit these files, add your own images, add your own shapes and add your own fonts. So these are editable. You should edit these and don't upload this as is on Amazon KDP. The other one is 120 sight words. This could be another activity book for kids. You can see here what is included is 120 sight words, 20 pages in total, 6 sight words per sheet. Let's see how this looks. I have already downloaded this one. So let's see the PDF first. Read, trace, write, he, but, look. So these are basically the sight words activity book. You can create very unique activity book from this one. You can change this using a PDF editor, add your own font, add your own images, and you are good to go. Resource file is not included. You need to take extra time to edit this one. You can also mix and match your own pages to create a unique sight word activity book. So let's see the next one. This is preschool fine motor building workbook. This is also a very good workbook for building motor skills in kids. 262 pages of fine motor skill builders such as dot to dot, super simple mazes, easy puzzles, tracing, cutting and pasting. So let me download this and see what is included. In preschool fine motor builders, there is only one PDF. Actually there are 262 pages in this PDF file. So let's see how it looks. These are the tracing exercises for kids. You can see coloring, dot to dot, dot markers, tracing again, dot markers. So these are the mixed activities for kids. This could be very helpful, but you need to edit these pages. Don't use them as is, because you will end up publishing a duplicate book and there could be a duplicate content issue for your KDP account. So don't use the resources as is. Change these lines, change this font, change the name line here, and similarly you can change everything using a PDF editor like Sedgta PDF editor. I will make a separate video on that as well. So let's see the other one. This is our final one for this video. There are a lot of other resources on the teaching material, but I am reviewing these 6 one. Big Kids Tracing Workbook Activity Book. This is another very good resource. There are 90 pages, PDF and PNG files are included, easy to use. So let's see what is included inside. With this educational product, there there is PDF and PNG files. Big Kids Tracing Workbook. This is Tracing Workbook PDF file. Let me zoom out and you can see this is the tracing activities for kids. These are very good for building fine motor skills and pencil control. You can include these pages toward creating a big activity book for kids. Like I said before in other videos as well, you can mix and match interiors from different resources and create a unique workbook for Amazon KDP. So these are the resources you can use. You can also get more resources on the same page here. Just you need to go to here on the graphics, then teaching materials. Here you can scroll and find various educational products here or pre-made templates here, and you can use them to create a unique activity books for Amazon KDP and make potential income online. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.